Hydrotherapy is a non-invasive form of treatment. You know, it has those kind of pain relieving effects, and it does improve their quality of life and their muscle structure and their bone healing and everything, you know, just as much as probably your medication does. And obviously you should always refer to your vet to see what the best option for your pet is, but usually hydrotherapy is a really good option for that. I love my job. It's just really rewarding. I mean, we get to see the nicest side of it, I think, the nicest side of veterinary. You know, we see the dogs week in, week out. We get a really nice relationship with the dog and the client, and just being able to see that dog get better is really, really nice. We don't just see them the once and then, you know, see them back when they're feeling better. We get to be within that process with them, and it is a really, really rewarding job. I love it. In the treadmill, we can do things like post-operative therapy, spinal conditions. Again, if a dog's scared of water, it just depends what kind of equipment they respond better to. So in terms of going for more traditional forms of therapy like medication and surgery, there are also options that may not be quite as invasive on the pets.
Well, she's got a disease in her shoulders and her elbows, and so we're just trying to prevent surgery. She's definitely seeing a lot of improvement in her movement, and she absolutely loves coming here, so that's got to be a good thing.
The purpose of the treadmill hydrotherapy for Polly is to start strengthening up the muscles around her affected joints, so particularly like her shoulders and her elbows. We are trying a conservative management approach to begin with, so ultimately to try and prevent surgery for her, because like we said, she's not a very old dog, she's only just coming up to 2. So hopefully what we'll have provided with the hydrotherapy will prevent the surgery. But if not, and if she does end up having to go for the surgery, she'll be as strong as possible going into it, so that her recovery afterwards is as successful as possible. And if she does have to have hydro once she's had surgery too, she'll know what she's doing, and it'll hopefully go a little bit smoother. Your insurers do cover hydrotherapy, so it does come under complementary therapy rather than your vet pot. So if, for example, you just paid £5,000 to have a surgery, your complementary therapy like your hydro and your laser and things that you'd have spoken to Rihanna about, they do come out of a separate pot. So hopefully for those pet owners that are insured, it's a lot easier for them. And obviously we do try to make our services as affordable for everyone as possible, because, you know, we understand that most pets who have gone through those types of procedures need this, and we want to be there for everybody.